gonna go ahead and use it for this, and hopefully it looks good with copper. If it doesn't, oh well. What is going on, guys? I'm working to Wrenchettes. When I want to work in this beautiful Montero Sport. My life as well. I was gonna say MKS. So the restoration for this Montero Sport continues. Today we're gonna tackle the rims. These rims need a refresh because the coating on them are getting very faded. So what I wanted to do is give them a little refresh, but I didn't want it to put it silver. And as I said before, I really don't like silver everywhere and gray everywhere. Like, this car needs color. So I have some extra paint of copper because I got a lot deal on a 6-pack of paint for the price of one. So I just got it because why not? And then the other thing we're gonna tackle is to paint the actual calipers that I got on this car. Now I put 3 new ones. The front left, and both rears are brand new, but as I see them, they are rusting already. So I need to get them painted and protected so they can last me a bit longer than just a few months. That's the goal for today. Paint the calipers and then paint the wheels and then see how the Montero looks. Alright, so I got it taped up in my little ghetto setup here. I forgot the bag is actually. I think it's typical. I thought about really hard what I was going to do and I completely forgot about the bag. But anyway, it's just a little cover. It's not that big of a deal. Anyway, I went with this color here because I bought this for the G, and then I realized I really don't want to put a lot of color in the engine bay, so I'm going to go ahead and use it for this, and hopefully it looks good with copper. If it doesn't, oh well. So there you have it. That is the last coat. This is the end result right here. Look at that. I think it looks good. Got one right here. There you go. That is the first coat. First thoughts, it looks like pink. But I guess when it dries, it goes darker. But it's the first coat, not full cover. It's about 80% coverage. So I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna work on this one right here while I paint this one. Okay, so I'm finally done. I painted all 4 calipers and I painted all 4 wheels color copper metallic. To be honest, I'm 50-50 on them because I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker copper, but this one is actually bright. Anyway, enough blabbing, let me show you the truck.